like a magazine. Girl, it felt good.
What's up, you guys? My name is Tess. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't filmed since graduation. That's my previous video, and a lot's been going on. I've been going on lots of interviews, and if you guys, anybody interested in going to SD school would like to know what to expect after graduation, I can definitely film that video for you. Today is a favorites video. This is such a solid group of products that I've been loving for a few months now. I haven't sat down to film a favorites video in a while, so I'm really excited to share. And yeah, let's just dive right in. I want to start with my new Holy Grail Tinted Moisturizer. Now, if you're oily skin type, you will not like this, but if you're dry, dehydrated, maybe have more mature skin, this is awesome. It's the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. It is a small bottle. This was $30, but I think this is going to be great for summer, great for traveling. It's so light, and you put it on and you just have the most luminous, glowy, dewy effect. It's a pretty sheer coverage, not quite as much as the It Cosmetics CC cream, but this is replacing that for me. I find if I just want like a really fresh daytime look, I can get away with a sheer tinted moisturizer and then go in with concealer and kind of cover any problem areas. But I'd rather do that than put on something like, I think the It Cosmetics is semi-medium to almost full coverage. You can really build it up if you want to, but if you're looking for a lighter, very dewy option, this is great. It's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores, and it says it's good for sensitive skin types. So far so good. Really liking this, and it's keeping me hydrated and glowy and dewy. I'm wearing it right now. And okay, second I want to dive into this caffeine solution. I got a facial from my advanced aesthetics teacher, who is a goddess. Her name is Michelle Fallon, and she was looking at my skin and pointed out that my under eye darkness has really been getting darker, and it's something, I don't know, I never really noticed about myself, but once she pointed it out, I was like, damn, I really do have some dark circles. So she recommended for anyone with dark circles using a vitamin K or a caffeine serum. You could use an eye cream. I picked up this caffeine solution from The Ordinary, and I've just been massaging this in morning and night, and it's definitely made a difference in the darkness under my eyes. And so I then follow this up with the Ginzing Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I've been loving this. This is one of those holy grail Sephora products that has a ton of reviews and loves, and I checked it out for myself and really glad I did. It gives you a really beautiful luminosity. It's almost like a little pearlescent finish in the corners of your eyes and on your lids. So it's really beautiful for daytime and really does do a great job of depuffing, especially when I layer this underneath. You do want to be careful when you are going around the eyes. You want to pat it in with this finger because it's the weakest, and you can get a very low pressure just patting it in, and you want to make sure you're using something specifically for your eyes. I know there's a lot of people who say that eye creams are kind of BS and you can just get away with a lotion, but a lot of people end up getting milia or tiny little buildup of sebum in the eye areas because it is such a thin, it's the most thin, delicate area on the face. So you really have to treat it with caution and use something specifically for your eyes. Okay, on the subject of dark circles, this is my new holy grail. It's not even a concealer, it's a dark circle concealer corrector. So you can use this alone, but my favorite thing to do is put it on and then layer a little bit of concealer on top. What I didn't realize just using normal concealers is it's not gonna color correct the purple, so you're just putting kind of like a white cast shadow over your dark circles, but you really do need to correct it with a peachy tone, which is what this is. This is, I think, $3 or $4 from the drugstore. It's by NYX. Have I even been saying the product brand names? I don't know, but I'll link everything below. So this is amazing. Can't go wrong. I strongly recommend if you suffer from dark circles or just wake up really early and want to have like a fresh, brighter look. Okay, now I want to talk about the Ceramidin cream. This was recommended by my SD friend Tiffany, who knows her stuff, has created her own skincare line, and she's very picky about product. She doesn't buy or recommend a ton of things, but she's obsessed with this, and I tried it out because I have fairly dry and dehydrated skin. This has ceramides in it. It's the Ceramidin cream as opposed to the lotion, which is a thinner consistency, but ceramides are really important for anti-aging. They kind of bind the skin cells together and give you that really plump, hydrated effect, which we all want. So definitely recommend this. This is like a no BS product. I'm such a fan. Again, if you're oily skin type, this probably won't be the best for you. But if you're normal, I think you can get away with it as a night cream. If you're dry, then I would suggest using this morning and night. It's just really replenishing and nourishing, and I love it. Okay, I have a few more products, and this is something I eyed for a while. I saw a YouTuber named Emma McDonald use this, and it's the Laneige sleeping mask. So I ended up picking this up, going to the checkout at Sephora, and then when I got there I realized it was $23, and I was like, I don't need it, and the girl told me, are you sure? You should probably reconsider. It's like amazing. And I ended up leaving, not getting it. Definitely thought about it the next day, and I was like, I need to go back and get that lip mask, and you will not regret it. It is the most beautiful, balmy, like conditioning with a little tint of pink color. I'm wearing it right now. It's beautiful for prepping your lips. If you want to put it on before makeup, put it on before bed. I wear it all day, and I haven't found that it's a lot of really occlusive, thicker products can cause you to break out around your lips, and lipsticks can definitely do that, but I haven't had any problems with this so far. I have kind of found that the glossierbalm.com can do that for me sometimes, so I'm really liking the Laneige sleeping mask for the color, for how it feels on my lips, for the reparative results. So if you're looking for a new lip balm, a little bit pricey, but worth the splurge in my opinion. This was part of the same Sephora purchase, and I ended up picking this up after seeing one of Kathleen Lights' favorites videos. And this is the BB Pretapowder Nourishing Dry Shampoo. This changed my opinion of all dry shampoos. It basically conditions, gives your hair style, shine, soaks up excess oil, eliminates frizz. It's just a really wonderful product, and I have always used like Batiste or Dove dry shampoo and just kind of thought that you have to expect like a white cast or having like really kind of like dry, just not your best feeling hair after using dry shampoo, but this is just super key and gives your hair like life again. It doesn't just strip it of the oil, so I'm such a fan. It's invisible, so that in itself is like huge plus. But if you're looking for a new dry shampoo, I would definitely recommend this one. And yeah, can't say enough good things. They have a little one too, but I think it's better to just get the full size. They kind of dupe you with the travel size. Okay, and then the last product I want to talk about is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. Beautiful packaging, a little bit heavy, but I kind of like that. And this just gives your lashes a super voluminous, velvety, plumped up look. I used to use the Dior Show mascara when I was splurging on a high-end mascara, and the L'Oreal Carbon Black mascara is like my ride or die, but I was kind of in the market for a little bit of a splurgy mascara because I find the higher end ones don't flake as much throughout the day and you get a longer wear out of them. They're just made with better ingredients. So if you're looking for a volumizing mascara, I would definitely recommend this one. And that is about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my favorites video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see now that I've graduated. If there's any advice I can impart or any specific career topic you guys want to hear about, I'd be happy to do that. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Tell me about your dreams, tell me everything. Don't know